up? It's your boy Coordinaficent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing Saweetie Best Friend by, I already say PRs, featuring Doja Cat. Alright, very easy song. We're not going to be using the capo, we're using 2 chords, if not 1. Let me start by showing you how to play it at a beginner level. You're basically going to be strumming E minor. Okay, so that's E minor to A minor. So that's down, 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 down. So it's down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Okay, we're going E minor, A minor, E minor, E minor, E minor, and then A minor. Okay, so it's basically E minor to A minor. Very basic chords. You can check them out on my chord video if you don't know how to hold them. All right. And then if you want to play the riff that is going on in the background, you have to play E minor. So you're plucking 5 and 4 at the same time. If you want to, let me just show you what I'm trying to teach you right now. Okay, this is basically 5-4. So 5-4 simultaneously. Then you strum 4. So that's both 4, both 4, both 4, 5, 5. Okay. Let me bring this in closer so that you guys can see. So both of them. Then you strum 4. Back to 5, play it twice, and then you come to 3rd fret of the 4th string, and then you go to, okay, so now you're holding, this is 3rd fret on the 4th string and 2nd fret of the 3rd string, so that's, okay, 4, 3, 3, 4, 3, 3, 4, 3, 3, and then you slide from, on the 4th string you slide 3 to 5, and then you come back, slide, and then you can merge that with chords if you're a really advanced player to play. Alright, so it really just depends with what level in your guitar playing you are at. But yeah, if you're an intermediate player, just, you know, you might want to learn the intro, use it as an intro, and then strum through the song. If you're a more advanced player, just merge the chords and the riff, and yeah, play it like it actually sounds on the song. Otherwise, that's been it for this tutorial, guys. Do let me know any other new songs that you need me to check out in the comment section below. Otherwise, subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and leave a like and share the video if it helped you. Peace.